Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're making HK French toast, also known as Hong Kong French toast. This is my own secret recipe. It is amazing. Crispy on the outside, creamy in the middle. Pairing it with homemade vanilla bean ice cream. It is a match made in heaven. You're gonna love it. Let's get stuck into the recipe. First thing, we're gonna start with our bread dough, granulated sugar, 1/4 cup or 30 grams. Strong bread flour, we're using 4 cups or 500 grams. Sea salt, 4 grams. Room temperature water, 300 grams or 300 ml. Once that's combined, we're gonna add in our yeast. We're gonna be adding 2 teaspoons of dry active yeast, 50 grams of unsalted room temperature butter. You can add it in small increments to make sure it blends nicely. So we've been mixing the dough for 8 minutes. The dough is at now 26 degrees and we're gonna let it bench rest for 20 minutes. It's gonna about double in size. It's gonna get a bit fluffy. Oil up our bread pan. The size of my bread pan is 10 centimeters in height, 10 centimeters in width, 15 centimeters in depth. We're gonna put our dough in here. We're gonna put a cloth over that and let that rise again for another 30 minutes. The dough is very fluffy, that's what you want. Grab yourself a really sharp knife or razor blade and just draw some line works in there to get some bread art. Now we're gonna put that in the oven on 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. So after about 25 to 30 minutes, take your bread out. It should look nice and golden brown like this. Let it cool down. Now we're gonna make our homemade vanilla bean ice cream. Get yourself a small saucepan. Add in 2 cups of milk or 490 grams, 2 cups of thickened cream, 480 grams, half a cup of caster sugar or 180 grams, pinch of sea salt, and 1 whole vanilla bean, including the pods. Place over medium heat and bring to a gentle simmer. Get a medium-sized bowl and add in half a cup of sugar, 100 grams of sugar, 5 egg yolks. Mix this until it turns pale and thickens up. Once the milk cream mixture has come to a gentle simmer, whisk about 1/3 of the hot mixture into the yolk sugar mixture. Add another 1/3 of the mixture, then return the combined mixture to the saucepan. Using a wooden spoon, stir the mixture constantly over low heat until it thickens slightly and coats the back of the spoon. Mixture must not boil or the yolks will overcook. The process should only take a few minutes. Pour the whole mixture through a mesh strainer and discard of the vanilla pod. Cover the mixture with a plastic wrap so it doesn't form a skin and leave it room temperature for 1 hour and refrigerate for 2 hours or overnight. Whisk once more before putting into your ice cream maker. And I turned my ice cream maker on for 40 minutes. Cut your bread into thick slices. Get cornflakes and crush them up into a fine coating. In a bowl that can fit your sliced bread in, crack 1 egg, a dash of milk, and half a teaspoon cinnamon. Whisk that until it's combined and smooth. On one side of my bread, I'm using smooth organic peanut butter, and on the other side, I'm using Lotus Biscoff spread. Evenly spread that over each piece of bread and then sandwich them together. Cut off the crust. Get a frying pan, and we're going to be shallow frying these with quite a lot of oil to make it like a shallow deep fry. I'm using olive oil. Get your sandwich and dip it in the egg wash mixture. Make sure to coat these really quickly in the crumbed cornflakes. If you wait too long, it will make it soggy. As soon as you've crumbed it, chuck it straight into your pan. Make sure your pan's really hot, almost around 160 degrees Celsius. Fry that for about 2 to 3 minutes each side. Also make sure you do the edges if you're using really thick bread. Now you want to serve this while it's hot, so make sure you cut it in half straight away, and let's begin the decorating. Get some strawberries, maybe some raspberries, cut them up, garnish your plate. Get your vanilla ice cream and scoop it, put it on top while it's still warm so it melts. Get some maple syrup and coat the entire Hong Kong French toast in that, dusted with snow sugar or icing sugar. Some freeze-dried raspberries or fresh raspberries as well really help make the plate pop with color. Now take a bite of that. It's crunchy, moist inside, goes really well with the ice cream and maple syrup. Your guests are gonna love this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It helps to support me to give you this stuff for free. Also, check out my businesses, Levain Donuts, Jam Dessert Bar, and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, wherever, I'd love to connect with you guys. If you have any questions, direct message me on Instagram or drop a comment below. Have a great day. Boom.